watching VDTV Bharat. I'm Angela. In the last program, we mentioned a few pilgrimage sites which you can visit, and here we are with some more beautiful places for you to visit. Sarnath is a small village in Uttar Pradesh situated about 13 kilometers northeast to the holy city of Varanasi. The city is famous for being the first place where Lord Buddha preached for the first time after gaining enlightenment. Later, kings who followed Buddhism like King Ashoka built a lot of stupas and structures that they are focused on Buddhism. The impressive Dhamik Stupa and Ashok Chakra, which is now a national emblem, are extremely popular among tourists. Bodh Gaya, the sacred city of Bodh Gaya, is located in Bihar. It is 12 kilometers away from the Gaya city. Bodh Gaya is where the wandering prince Siddhartha sat under the Bodhi tree to meditate. At the center of Bodh Gaya stands the elegant Mahabodhi temple, rising to the lofty height of 55 meters. Inside the temple, a single chamber holds a large gilded image of the Lord Buddha. In Bodh Gaya, almost every nation with Buddhist following has its own monasteries. Each temple has its architectural style and offers visitors a unique opportunity to peek into different Buddhist cultures and compare architecturally. Rajgir means adobe of God, is a town in Nalanda district about 93 kilometers southeast of Patna, Bihar. Rajgir is divided into two parts, one which is forfeited and surrounded by 7 hills, and the other which is believed to be founded by King Bimbisara's son Ajatashatru. The hot springs, known for its medicinal and regional values, are popular among pilgrims and tourists. The town is surrounded by hills all around, which provide numerous trekking opportunities, and serene ambience of this place will refresh your mind and soul. Malayatur Church, a famous Christian pilgrim center located in Ernakulam district in Kerala. It is one of the 8 international shrines in the world and is situated on the top of Malayatur Hill at a height of 609 meters. The architecture of the church is a Greco-Roman style, with the front of the church having distinctly Roman Catholic design. In addition to this, there are paintings and carvings on the inside of the church walls depicting various important events of the life of the Christ. The Golden Cross is one of the main attractions of the church. The best time to visit the church is during the annual festival, the Malayatur Perunal, held in March and April, 8 days after the Easter. Parimala Church, also known as St. Peter's and St. Paul's Indian Orthodox Church, is situated on the shores of Pampa at Parimala in Tiruvalla in Pathanamthitta district of Kerala. It is a tomb church of Parimala Tirumeni or St. Geevarghese Mar Gregorios. The commemoration day of the saint is a great event associated with the Pilgrim Center, which is celebrated on 1st and 2nd November every year. Thousands of pilgrims visit the church during these days to offer prayers to the saint. St. George's Church, locally known as Puduppally Church, is an ancient church in Kerala located in the Puduppally Changanasheri Road in the Kottayam district. The renowned Puduppally Perunal is a 2-day event marked by splendor and majesty. It is celebrated at St. George Orthodox Church. Traditional prayers and rituals add to the pious of the occasion. The present shrine was declared as the Georgian Pilgrim Center of the East. The old church was well-preserved church with murals dating back to the ancient times. These unique murals have painted using vegetable dyes. The surrounding of the area of the church is panoramic and beautiful. Mount Mary Church, the Basilica of Our Lady of the Mount, more commonly known as the Mount Mary Church, is Roman Catholic Basilica located in Bandra, Mumbai. The church is built in semi-Gothic architecture, and the openness of the basilica is rendered unique due to its location. The Feast of the Blessed Virgin Mary is celebrated here on the first Sunday after 8th September, the birth of the Virgin Mary. The feast is followed by a week-long celebration known locally as the Bandra Fair and is visited by thousands of people. Many pilgrims visit Basilica of Our Lady of the Mount to pray for their wish to come true. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, is the most important religious place for Sikhs and also the main attraction of Amritsar, Punjab. The temple is a 2-storied structure with the top half covered with almost 400 kgs of pure gold. The glistening temple is surrounded with Amrit Sarovar, whose waters are said to have healing powers. One can also partake of the free meal that is offered here to around 20,000 people every day at the Guru Ka Langar. The Gurudwara is a symbol of equality and brotherhood. The Golden Temple represents the heritage of the rich history of Sikhs. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib is located in the heart of New Delhi's Connaught Place area. The shrine was constructed at the site where Harkrishnan Dev, the 8th Sikh Guru, spent several months. The shrine has beautifully carved marble pillars, decorated floors, and onion domes adorned with gold. The Gurudwara draws attention due to the magnificent structure, architectural beauty, and a large water body, Sarovar, located within the complex. Devotees with faith and devotion come from far and near to get rid of their sufferings by taking a dip in the holy water. Paonta Sahib. Paonta Sahib is located on the banks of the Yamuna River in the Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. The large Gurudwara stands here in the memory of Guru Gobind Singh. The Sri Talab Asthan, where salaries are distributed, and the Sri Dastar Asthan, where turban tying competition are held, are some of the most beautiful places of the shrine. The Gurudwara also has a museum that displays antiques and weapons used by Guru Gobind Singh during his stay in Paonta Sahib. Langar is also served for all who wish to partake in it in the Gurudwara. Hemkund Sahib. Hemkund Sahib is located in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, situated at a height of 4,329 meters. The Gurudwara is venerated by Sikhs as it is believed the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, meditated at the very spot in his previous birth. The present Gurudwara was constructed around the 1960s, keeping all the environmental and climatic conditions in mind. It is the only pentagonal Gurudwara in the world, with setting of a glacial lake surrounded by 7 mountain peaks, each adorned with a Nishan Sahib on its cliff. Pilgrims often combine the trek to Gurudwara with a trip to the Valley of Flowers National Park. The biodiversity hotspot is known for its natural beauty. Many people of all faiths make pilgrimages, often to a shrine or place of significance, to experience spiritual enlightenment. We hope you can find your purpose to visit these places. Thank you.